Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to find penny stocks on Finviz using an easy method. We'll start by navigating to the Finviz website and heading straight to the screener section. This powerful tool allows you to filter through thousands of stocks quickly, helping you pinpoint potential investments that fit your criteria. Let's dive into setting up our initial search parameters. First, click on the Screener tab at the top of the Finviz homepage. Next, locate the exchange filter and select either NASDAQ or NYSE to focus on more regulated markets. Crucially, for penny stocks, set the price filter to under $5. This immediately narrows down your search to stocks trading below that key threshold, forming the foundation of our penny stock hunt. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And speaking of making things easy, just like finding penny stocks, why not make your meal prep easy too? Check out these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh while you're busy researching. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To refine your search further, let's add some advanced filters. Set the average volume to over 500,000 shares to ensure liquidity. Then, choose market cap as under $300 million to target smaller companies. Finally, consider adding relative volume to identify stocks with unusual trading activity, which can signal potential movement. These steps help filter out less active or too large companies. Once your filters are applied, Finviz will present a list of stocks matching your criteria. Take time to review each company, looking beyond just the price. Examine fundamental indicators like earnings per share and debt levels. Also, analyze the stock charts for technical patterns that suggest good entry or exit points. Remember, thorough due diligence is crucial before making any investment decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.